In this Mopar Minute, we're going to talk about the Jeep Performance Parts 2-inch lift kit for the all-new Jeep Wrangler. With me today, I've got Brett Swiss from our chassis engineering group.
We know one of the first things that our customers want to do is increase the ride height of their vehicle for off-roading. And one of the favorite ways to do this is with a lift kit.
That's correct, Todd. And I guess to give you a few specifics about the lift kit, I'll start with the spring. This happens to be a front spring from the kit. When you pull it out of the box, you'll notice that there's a curvature to the spring, something that's unique or maybe not common. That was intentional. We've actually designed a curve into the spring to improve the clearance under all operating conditions and all suspension articulation.
Oh, interesting. So since this spring is a little bit unique, is there anything unique that is required during the installation?
Most definitely. In order to maintain proper alignment of the spring, there is detailed instructions in our instruction sheet in order to align the upper isolator properly to engage the spring properly.
Okay, excellent. So I also see that there is a monster Fox shock here. This looks a lot bigger than what we had in our previous kits. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Sure can. It is a 2.5-inch diameter shock. Our previous kit had a 2-inch diameter. It is proprietary. The only way to get this shock is in a Jeep Performance Parts kit. And it has been specifically tuned in coordination with the Jeep engineering team, the Mopar team, and the Fox team to maintain proper ride quality in all operating conditions.
Thanks, Brett, and thank you for joining us for this Mopar Minute. If you have any questions about our Jeep Performance Parts 2-inch lift kit, I encourage you to go to your Jeep dealer for more information.